The Renault Rafale is a fresh addition to the automotive world, making its debut in mid-2023. This D-segment sport utility vehicle draws inspiration from a 1934 racing plane and is a testament to Renault's evolving design ethos. Positioned above the Arkana in Renault's lineup, the Rafale is a larger model that brings a unique blend of style and functionality to the table. Aesthetically, the Rafale fully embraces Renault's new design language. It showcases a revamped front grille and a novel matrix LED light signature, features that it shares with the recently facelifted 2024 Clio. This design continuity is a clear indication of the direction Renault is taking with its future models. Despite its sleek and sloping roofline, the Rafale does not compromise on space. It offers a generous cargo capacity of 530 liters, setting it apart from many conventional SUVs. This design choice, while stylish, means the Rafale forgoes the third row of seats found in models like the Espace. In terms of dimensions, the Rafale is impressive. It stretches 4.71 meters in length and is 1.86 meters wide. One of its standout features is the panoramic glass roof, which can transition from fully opaque to transparent. This feature not only enhances the driving experience, but also adds a touch of luxury to the vehicle. The Rafale's exterior is further accentuated by its wide axles and chunky 245mm tires. Renault has also introduced an evolved rear-wheel steering system in the Rafale, aiming to improve grip and cornering speed, especially on uneven terrains. Inside, the Rafale boasts a modern and tech-forward cabin. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is complemented by a 12-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen. This infotainment system, running on Android Automotive 12, offers wireless connectivity options for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For those seeking an enhanced driving experience, Renault offers a 9.3-inch head-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield. Under its hood, the Rafale is a testament to Renault's commitment to hybrid technology. It combines a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. The combined output of this system is 200 horsepower, offering a blend of performance and efficiency. Looking ahead, Renault has ambitious plans for the Rafale. The company intends to introduce a plug-in hybrid variant with a whopping 300 horsepower and an all-wheel drive system. This upcoming model will also feature the updated rear-wheel steering, ensuring that the Rafale continues to be a frontrunner in its segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.